At Ivy College of Management Sciences, excellence meets opportunity in the heart of Pakistan. At ICMS, we believe in fostering a global perspective and providing an exceptional international education right here in Pakistan. Experience a dynamic learning environment designed to prepare you for success in a rapidly evolving world. Our state-of-the-art facilities and world-class faculty ensure that every student receives the highest quality education. Join a diverse community of learners and innovators who are shaping the future of business and management.
Coming to ICMS was one of the best decisions of my life.
Coming to ICMS and getting an international degree was the best decision of my life.
Thank you.
Thank you. Once again, thank you to ICMS.
Discover the difference at Ivy College of Management Sciences. Apply now and unlock your potential at ICMS. Admissions open 2024.